welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Ashley, and here on my channel I talk all about embroidery, applique, Etsy, and running your own small business from home. So a lot of my videos are very embroidery based, but today we're doing something a little bit different. It's more business based. So coming up on the end of the year or the beginning of the new year for 2022, a lot of us start thinking about the new year and planning. So I'm going to share and unbox a resource that I've been using for years, several years actually, and I'm actually going to be giving one of them away today, so stay tuned till the end. So I am going to unbox for you guys my 2022 HoopMama crafters calendar. This is a great resource for anyone in the crafting community. It's not just based for those for embroidery. It does focus a lot on like t-shirts, apparel businesses, but really you could use the premise of this for any type of small crafting type business that you may have. So I actually bought two this year. So year to year, I sometimes use it a lot and sometimes don't. And that's on me, nothing to do with the actual calendar content itself. So when I first bought it, when the pre-order first opened, I bought just the calendar, none of the extras, not the digital version, nothing else. And then a couple weeks later, was kind of having buyer's remorse. So I went back and I bought the whole package for myself. So I'm going to give away just the actual calendar today to one of you guys. And like I said, I'll share at the end how you can be entered into that. I'm going to set that one aside. And I'm going to open my own version or my own copy. There we go. I did the mega bundle. It includes a digital copy that you can use on your iPad through the GoodNotes app, and it includes a PDF version that you can print off. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to get this, the digital version is a great resource. You can get the PDF, print it off yourself, put it in your own binder, planner, however you want. But I went ahead and got the physical version and the digital so I could have both. I also upgraded to what they call the mega package. Has some extra little fun things in it that I'm going to show you guys right now. So first things first, just now opening it. If you've ever received a box from HoopMama, you know their packaging is on point. So lots of fun things. There's always a little sticker on the front, like a motivational thing. She always includes like a little snack or something in it. And then I have some extra things here. There's a little die cut sticker. It's a motivational. She includes, depending on what package you get, is what you'll receive. But here are some little stickers I can use within my actual planner. This mega package also included a little order book. I don't do a lot of orders that I wouldn't have through my invoicing system or through Etsy. But for the few local orders I do that are not included in digital format, this will be nice. I can write them down just to show you what that looks like. All sorts of things that you might need for your customers, custom orders. So that'll be nice to have. Like I said, I don't know how many pages are in there, but that'll last me a long time. And the other thing that was specific to this mega bundle was this workbook. And it is like goal setting and all the things, like what can I do, just goal setting going into 2022. And it breaks it down into, there's personal, there's business. I think there's, let me see what else. Thankful pages, like what am I thankful for, and then, you know, just all sorts of little things. It's a workbook for you to use going into 2022. That's a great resource as well. And then the calendar also always includes a fun little pin. This year it's a little diamond. I think it was last year. It was a cactus or a unicorn. I don't know. I have both of them. I don't remember which one was which. But this pretty rose gold pin with a little diamond on the end. Perfect. It matches this perfectly. And then the main feature is the physical calendar. It is, I believe she said 7 by 9. For those of you that do planning, it's a 7x9 planner. I would actually prefer a bigger size myself because I like to write in mine a lot, but this is a nice portable size. It comes with a protective cover on it, a nice thick cover, and then the pages in this. The nice thing about getting the physical copy versus the digital copy and printing it yourself is that you get these nice thick pages that you can really write in and not have to worry about bleed through as much. So I'm going to give you guys a sneak preview of like what January looks like. There's always where it includes like some fun dates, tips, things like that, things to remember for the month, challenges. It gives you engagement ideas, things you can be posting on your social media account. It gives a monthly overview page. Let's see, it does include, looks like federal type holidays on there, but no, like, not the specific fun dates on the calendar. I mean, you could always add that yourself. And then it goes into like your weekly spread. Go to it. There we go. Like this is the first full week of January. It gives you space to write on your own each day now. I like that. That's a change from last year. Things to focus on, your like top 3 focus points for each day. And then it gives you suggested focus points for each week. So like the first week of January, it's, you know, focus on Valentine's, 100 Day of School, spring sports, and gym and fitness. And that's great. And actually looking at this, it tells you really small here underneath each of the dates if there's like a special day. Like Tuesday, January 4th is Trivia Day. Who knew? And then, you know, Wednesday, January 5th is Bird Day. So little things that can just trigger you to do a post about that or focus on an item for that day. All sorts of different fun things. Let me see if there's end of the month. And then the thing I actually kind of like the best about this calendar is the monthly wrap up. So after the end of each month, you can kind of give yourself a grade by smiley faces. You can total things up, see how you've grown on social media. You know, what are your big sellers? What things do you need to work on? Things like that. What do I need to remember for next year? So, you know, in January, maybe if you were behind on Valentine's Day, next year I need to remember to do Valentine's early. You know, get things pushed out early. Just little things like that. But anyways, this has been a huge help to me in the past. Like I said, some years I've used it more than others. I don't think I've ever talked about it that much here. I'm not affiliated with them, not paid, nothing like that. I paid for these myself. But I do have an affiliate link if you do want to check these out. You're welcome to use. It just gives me a percentage towards my own crafting things through HoopMama. I love buying stuff through there. She's an amazing resource of all sorts of different things. She's really switched her focus in the past years from like embroidery and SVGs to more physical products like this and screen prints. But she does also offer business stickers, decorative stickers for your packaging. Let's see, what else do I have? I have some Christmas ones. I put these on the outside of my packages or on the receipt, whichever. All sorts of different ones, different care instruction type ones. So she's a great resource for all things business. She does also open what she calls like a VIP bestie group. It's a great business resource as well. It is a little expensive, but if you're looking for a good business-minded Facebook group, that is definitely one you should check out. All right, so the part that everyone's been waiting for, how can you win this, my extra copy of the planner? So I'm going to have you guys comment down below and let me know how this business planner could help you and your business for this upcoming year. On Tuesday, December 21st at 8 a.m., I'm going to go through, read the comments, and select one person to ship this out to. So, and then I will have you I'll comment on your post, and I'll have you reach out to me with your shipping address, and I'll get this shipped out to you. Hopefully that way you can still receive it by the beginning of the year. So again, just comment down below how you think that this business business workbook and planner could help you and your business in the upcoming year, and I will select one person. So good luck, guys. I hope that this is a help to someone. It's been a help to me in the past years. I'm going to plan on using mine a little bit more this year than I did last year, and focus on some more growth and new directions in business.